Forget to initialize a class property in TypeScript, and strict mode will stop you cold. When strict property initialization is enabled, TypeScript requires every non-optional class property to have a value, either set at the point of declaration or assigned inside the constructor. If you skip both, the compiler throws error TS2564. Property has no initializer and is not definitely assigned in the constructor. This rule exists to prevent you from accidentally reading undefined from a property you assumed was always set. Strict property initialization is a compiler option configured in your disconfig.sen. It switches on automatically when you set strict to true, which also enables related checks like strict null checks and no implicit any. If you need a gradual migration, you can set strict property initialization to false independently, keeping the rest of strict mode intact. When you cannot initialize in the constructor, say the property is set by a framework, you have three options. The definite assignment assertion adds an exclamation mark after the property name, telling TypeScript to trust you. Mark a property optional with a question mark when it can legitimately be undefined, or simply assign a default value at the declaration site. Each option satisfies the check in a different way. In strict TypeScript, every class property needs a guaranteed value. Initialize at declaration, in the constructor, or tell the compiler explicitly with the exclamation operator. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.